normally I can get about 30 miles to a tank of gas on this thing. Alright, well, I have to go into work. So, yeah, I don't know. I'll have to do something different with this. It's not tight or nothing, so I don't know. Like the cable keeps coming out from the side piece here. I have to run into work for a little bit. I remounted my rock form to where it's not clear up here. So I just really flipped the thing back around and then cocked it this way some. And I can get to all my buttons. Before I had it straight and it covered like all my stuff. Maybe get to work enough time to go to lunch. So normally I can get about 30 miles to a tank of gas on this thing. It's got like a 2.1 gallon tank on it. But it gets horrendous gas mileage in city. But I've done a mixture of traveling on this thing. So I may be able to get at least to work on the gas that I have. Maybe get it on the way back. A little update on the Ruroc 4.0 helmet and fitment. You know, I've probably, I don't know how many miles I put on it, but I think it's not as tight as it was when I first got it. I was worried that it wouldn't break in that much, but I think it has. A good test would be putting a few hundred more miles on it in one go. There's a motorcycle for sale. The challenge I have is this helmet doesn't play well with my Indian. It's hard to put a couple hundred miles on the Sportster, to be honest. So I may just suck it up and deal with the crackling and or cutouts with it on the Indian. I think there's a ride down to Southern Ohio Saturday. Might be a good test for it. But it's not real tight on my head anymore like it was when I first started wearing it. So I think it's starting to break in. I know I did think about at the beginning trading it for the next size up, but I think I'm glad I did not do that. Alright, so I'm gonna get a damn shower from the guy's exhaust. I don't know if you guys seen the video of the rock form, but I was having doubts on how I mounted it. So I think I've got it where I want it. I'll put a link to the video up in the card above. Yeah, you can watch it if you would. Like and subscribe if you would. Like 96% of you just watch the videos. You don't subscribe. It's free. Click the red subscribe button if it's red. It'd be greatly appreciated. I like to get 1,000 subscribers soon. At the time of me filming this, I was like at 249, so I got a ways to go. So, well, I'm about at work, so I'm going to cut this off, and I'll talk to you maybe on the way home. Bye. All right. Well, that was a waste of going into work. Everything I got called in for said that was broke. None of it was broke. Oh well. Jeez. Can't even put my key in the ignition. Homebound I go. Stop and get gas on the way home. We don't have to do it later. And again, don't buckle up my helmet Man, I don't understand why I don't do this. There. Jeesh. I'll regret that one day. Get home before it may want to rain. I need to look into adjust and see if I can adjust the clutch lever on my Indian. It's like you have to let it out way too far. Unless it's just the way it is. But I like my Harleys, you don't have to let them out very far before it grabs. So I don't know if I can adjust the clutch cable on that Indian or not. Stop and get gas at probably $4.50 a gallon. If I can do this without spilling gas this time. $4.33 a gallon. Thank God it's only a 2-gallon tank. Try to put as much gas in it as I can. So I don't have to get gas every 3 seconds. So anything I don't like about this bike is the gas tank. And I don't know if I've seen a bigger gas tank that I like for it. Like the other Sportster tanks, I don't know if they look right on it. And I'd want to keep the same look, because I do like the tank on it for sure. See if we can get back on the road. So I put 1.2 gallons in it, and it's a 2.1 gallon tank. I guess I didn't get too bad the gas mileage this time around. Probably 30 miles to a gallon. For what I need this thing for, that's good. Come on, lady. Let's get a move on. Oh, I swear to God, I thought that was I did not think that was a edger. I thought he had a fake dog on the end of that thing. We do have some crazy people in this town, so. Alright, well, I'll talk to y'all later.